So, good morning everyone. Today we are at Ranthambore and let's go to the Ranthambore safari. So guys, it's almost 6 and that's the perfect time. So Ranthambore National Park has a total area of 1700 square kilometers, and in that there are total 74 tigers present. So guys, this is the main gate for the safari, and beyond this you can spot the tiger anywhere. And as it's a jungle safari, hat is mandatory.
रोड पे आ गया रोड पर इधर इधर यार क्रॉस कर गया क्या कौन जा रहा है इधर जा रहा इधर जा रहा वो क्या है कि आगे लग रही है गाड़ियाँ
बहुत बहुत भीड़ है।
रोड पे घूम रहा है वो तो आ रहा है दिख रहा है वो जा रहा है वो आगे जा रहा है तू पीछे देखी तू
अरे फोन में देख लेना। वो देख वो जा रही अब ये तो कम खाएगी तो ऐसे ही लगेगा।
शेर है शेरनी है टाइग्रेस है टाइग्रेस ये
That's the tigress. Siddhi is the name. So guys, earlier you saw Chambal's crocodile, now I have shown you Ranthambore's tigress as well. So no complaints. Bari tiger. So guys, today we are at Ranthambore and you must have already seen the tiger. And we are going to the zone 4 today. So let's see how it is. That's the gate for the zone 4.
अगर कोई भी एनिमल पानी के आसपास रहेगा और ग्रास में उसी पर रहेगा तो वो नहीं कोई एनिमल जो अपने गेट के आसपास जहाँ तक निगाह रखती है वहाँ तक अगर खुले में घूमेगा तो अच्छी दिखती है।
So guys, as you can see right now it's very green, and what happens is, like in this season, if you will go to Ranthambore, there are very slight chances to see or spot an animal because they might be hiding behind the grasses, and this doesn't happen in the summers. So if you are planning to visit, I would request you to come in the season between April to June. So guys, now we are proceeding towards Malik Lake, and there are three prominent lakes in Ranthambore National Park. This is one of them. So guys, going towards lake is really important because there are very much chances that not only tiger but many other animals will definitely come to drink water in the morning. So that's why going towards lake is really important, and you will definitely see a beautiful deer over here.
उसको से डियर है चीतल फीमेल मेल होता है उसको मंचो
Here we spotted a crocodile as well, and there are hundreds of them in the Malik Lake. So Ranthambore National Park also has a good population of leopards, sloth bear, palm civet, striped hyenas as well, and lots of other animal species. So here we encountered a beautiful herd of cheetal, and later our guide was telling us that he heard a call from cheetal, and that happens when these cheetal they see or smell a tiger nearby.
कंट्रोल करने के लिए धूप सेकने आ जाए
So here's an interesting fact about crocodile that they live more than 100 years, and on the other hand a tiger lives for maximum 15-20 years. So Ranthambore National Park hosts more than 320 species of birds. So in summers you'll find the entire Ranthambore forest like this, and that's why it will be easier for you to spot a tiger. That's the Sambar deer.
with horns male without horns female male deer the horns fell down every year and became more upward.
The Sambar is a larger deer species and is also included in the IUCN Red List. And an adult male Sambar can weigh up to 180 kgs. That's quite nice. So Ranthambore National Park has total 10 zones, and in the 10 zones 6 are more prone to spot a tiger, other 4 are little less, and all the 10 zones cover an area of 20% of the national park. Look at this, how beautiful the forest is. So guys, one thing that I really missed in this safari was a pair of binocular, and I would request you to please carry it because it is much needed in a safari.
वगैरह है यहाँ।
So guys, now we'll see a beautiful sight of a baby crocodile, and I guess we all have seen a crocodile outside and inside a river, but this is a really beautiful sight to see. So if you guys have made it to the end, I would request you to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.